This video shows how to disassemble and reassemble the Scratter for cleaning. The only tool you'll need is a 13mm spanner. Before you start, be absolutely certain you've unplugged it. First job is to remove the 4 bolts that hold down the blue funnel. Remove those completely. Now the blue funnel will lift clean off and can be cleaned with a hose pipe or locking sponge. Next we'll disassemble this so the rubber seal lifts straight out. The blade is removed by untightening this piece and unscrewing it, and then follows a sequence of bits which have to go back in the correct order, so it's worth noting as you take them apart what that order is. So first of all there's the bolt, then there is a spring washer, next a stainless steel cap, then the blade itself, which needs to be removed carefully because it's sharp, and then finally 2 large washers. Now we can clean around in here. Clean this with great care because that blade is sharp and there's a whole lot of nooks and crannies which you'll be concentrating on getting the food out of, and it's very easy to cut yourself on that blade while you're doing it. I speak from experience here. I've been inclined to put this in a dishwasher. This one's easy to clean, just sponge it around, dry it off. So, reassembly. First, 2 large washers, then the blade, then the cap, spring washer, and finally the screw that holds it all together. And as you do that, notice the blade is on the top. This only needs to be done to a firm hand tightness. Then seal goes back. It will keep itself in place. Or lift back on the blue funnel. And finally, back go the 4 bolts. Bolts don't need to be done tightly, just gentle hand tension. Spanner will be fine. Thank you for helping this machine.